Hi everyone, welcome back to MetaBox. Along with the recent UI updates, we also want to make your site run smoother behind the scenes. That's why we've added 4 handy tools in MetaBox all-in-one to help you keep your WordPress database clean and optimized. Working with custom fields and post types often leaves behind orphaned fields after deleting posts, old data from removed fields, data stuck under old keys, or posts left in the database when a post type is disabled. To handle these issues, the new update introduces 4 simple but useful tools that make database cleanup easy and reliable. They're available only in MetaBox all-in-one, included in the Ultimate and Lifetime bundles. Simply head to the MetaBox menu, Tools, to see them. Let's start with the first tool, Remove Orphan Fields. During the process of building and maintaining a site, you'll often delete posts or even disable an entire post type. But the custom fields linked to them don't always get removed. These orphan fields stay in your database with nothing to belong to, slowly cluttering things up. So, this tool clears them out in a click. The second tool is Remove Custom Fields. This tool lets you remove all data for a specific custom field key from the database, whether it's in posts, terms, or user meta tables. Let's see an example. I have a field group called Restaurant Information, which I've applied to a restaurant post type. And create a post in that post type as usual. Then enter some data into the fields. Let's pay attention to the phone field. In the database, you can see that the value of the phone field is stored there. Now, if I delete this field from the field group, the data doesn't automatically disappear. It still remains in the database. This is where the tool comes in handy. Just enter the meta key for the phone field and select the type of data to remove. As a result, all the leftover data for that field is completely cleared from the database. Next, this tool allows you to change the meta key of all custom fields in the post, term, and user meta tables. Now, let's look at the location field I created earlier. Here's its data in the database. If I go back to the field group and change the field ID to something else, you'll see that the field data in the post becomes empty. But it hasn't disappeared, it's still there in the database, just tied to the old key. The third tool will help you solve it. I simply search the original key and enter the new key. Choose the data type. After the action completes, you also get a success message confirming everything worked. In the database, the data is migrated to the new key. When I open the post again, the field shows the correct value. While the first 3 tools focus on fields, the last one works with posts. It lets you change the slug of a post type and move all posts under it to another post type. Sometimes you disable or remove a post type, but the posts themselves remain in the database. For example, disabling a restaurant post type leaves all those restaurant posts stuck and invisible. So now, select the post type you want to change from this drop-down. Then choose the new post type here and run the action. You see, the post is reassigned to the new post type. All 4 tools are designed to be straightforward. Just choose your option and click. But since these actions can't be undone, we strongly recommend backing up your database before using them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to update to the latest version of MetaBox All-in-One to try out these tools today.